Can you view someone's private TikTok account without following? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So simply launch TikTok application and log into your account. And if you know any private TikTok account, you simply need to open their profile. So if you want to know that we are able to view someone's private TikTok account without following or not, then the answer is certainly no. Because due to the privacy settings of the people, we are not able to view any of their posts or anything without following due to their privacy. So you need to make sure that you respect the privacy of the other choices and avoid any unethical actions to preview or view private accounts. So simply what you can do alternatively is simply you can tap on profile at bottom right and go to setting by tapping three line icon at top right and bottom selecting setting. Scroll down and you can tap report a problem. Scroll down and tap chat with us and you can ask for the assistance to view someone's private TikTok account. So let's type in here the message. So those are the solutions and the link given here. You can simply open further and look for this solution. So currently I want to say that you need to follow the private TikTok account in order to view their accounts. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.